If you see a truck, or any vehicle for that matter that you like, I want to hear which one's your favorite, okay? So guys, let's check out some of the trucks at SEMA 2025. What are some of the craziest things that we could find? And I'm sure we're gonna find them. Let's go. Look, just one after another. Let's go see the system in this thing. In high school, I had a Nissan hardbody with 415s in it, and I thought that was so loud, man. This puts that to shame. This is so crazy. Check out these amp racks. Look at this. 6 wheels. Oh my gosh, and they turn crazy. So over the top. Look back at this truck. The radiator. The money they put into these trucks is insane. One after another. Oh, this is, okay, this just caught my eye. Goodness. Look at this. What? Got street tires on it. Oh, this is crazy. Look, so they just keep going and going. More trucks, more trucks. All right, here we go. This whole GMC, that's a clean truck right here. It's like a matte gold wheel, and they're so well done. Clean. My gosh. The size of these things. That orange is bright. Keep it going, there's another. So nice, look at this interior. What are you thinking?
14 turbos?
It's crazy.
How can you push that much in there? Come on.
Nah.
You're gonna blow it up.
All right, let's just keep on going. While we're out here, before it gets too hot, I'm gonna go all the way to the end, work my way back. A lot of trucks down here. We'll see if there's anything that you guys like down this way. I have a feeling they might be lying about this. I don't know. I'm only, it's just a feeling, guys. It's just a feeling. Where's my mini truck guys at? And turbo with the hood cut on hydraulics. He's doing it right, not even on bags. My boy's on hydraulics. That's a nice color Bronco. Very classic, the powder blue. I'm seeing more and more like vintage trucks that are doing like the full modern makeover lifts and all that stuff. I don't know if there's a name for it. There is, let me know. Comment below if there's a name for this look, or is it just, I don't know, customizing your vintage trucks. But that's a nice F-250. But you can tell, like all the headlights, like everything's been obviously redone and stripped. I'm a sucker for satin black. Nice. All right, Jeep guys. Where the Jeep guys at? What do you think? Love it or hate it? If you're an off-road guy, you're gonna hate it. If you're a mall crawler, you're gonna love it. Don't be ashamed of what you are. A lot of matte green wraps out here. It's pretty nice. Holy cow. And it's a Shelby. All right, I had to come show you guys these trucks over here. These are all hand polished Fords, the aluminum bodies. So this guy goes and he hand polishes all this like a freaking mirror. Look at that. And it is so nice. I mean, there's not a place on these trucks that, I mean, they are, that's a lot. That's a lot of work. Oh, it's crazy. It's got like a peach pearl or something. Oh, look at that. And it's a dually with a tilt bed. Good grief. And that. And that interior. Let's hear it. I want to hear from you guys. Where my square body guys at? Dude, this wrap is crazy. Look at the wrap. The wrap looks like a lizard. Big shots, no kidding. There you go. I know somebody's watching this is gonna like the lips on here. Monopoly money truck over here. Superior. Seen a lot of matte green. That's like the color this year. What do you think, guys? I'm all in on this right here. This is so clean. Man, look at this. Oh, vintage work truck. I don't know what this is. Milk truck? Spin the wheel. There's a gold carb. Oh my gosh. And he's running big turbo. That Dodge. Golly. Like, it would be so hard. Like, if you're trying to judge this as a car show, I don't even know how you would.